Hello and welcome back to the JForce IT Service Academy once again. This is the lesson 31 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So in lesson 30, we dealt with how to insert the various formulas that can help us to get the total number of students that we have in each class. So in this lesson, we are going to continue and insert the formula that can help us to get the total number of male students we have from each class. Then the formula that can help us to get the total number of female students that we have in each class, or the total number of female students that we have in the school. The formula that can help us to get the total number of male students we have in the school, and the formula that can help us to get the total number of female students we have in the school. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to receive the notification and watch that particular video. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive right into this lesson and begin to insert our formula that can help us to quickly do that without any stress and without any problem. All right, so let's quickly use this formula here. We start from this side, total male. So we are going to get the total number of male students that we have in this school here. So we insert our equal to sign like this. We insert our equal to sign like this. We are going to use the auto sum function. So sum like this, then you open a new bracket like this. Good. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select the male students from each class like this. So you select this one, then you press comma, then we go to the next class that is going to be KG2. You select the male, then comma, then we scroll to the next class that is going to be basic 1. Then we select the male, then comma, then we move to basic 2, select male, comma, then we move to basic 3, you select the male, comma, then we move to basic 4 like this. You select the male, then you press comma, you select the male here in basic 5, then you press comma, then we move to basic 6 like this. You select the male, you press comma here, then we move to basic 7, you select the male, you press comma, then we move to basic 8 here, select the male, then comma, you come to basic 9 here, select the male. Then at this point, what we are going to do is that we are going to close this bracket here. We are going to close it. So let's just close it like this, then we hit enter. Good. So I think we are good to go now, but before then, let's just try to insert some comma here like this. I think this system is working now, but before then, let's check something here. Let's check something here. Let's check and see. Good. So we have 2 there because we have 2 male students from the KG2 class here. We have only 2 male students from the KG2 class. That is why we can see that 2 there as the total number of male students that we have in the school. These 2 here. So what we need to do is to just format this cell here. So let's just format the cell. Let's come to alignment here. Good. So let's center this one. Then we change the font style to Times New Roman like this. Times New Roman. Then we would like to bold it. So let's bold the 2 here. So let's try to do the same thing for this one too. Okay. So that one is working perfectly without any stress and without any challenge. So we get the total number of male students that we have in this school. Okay, so we want to do the same thing for the total number of female students that we have in the school. So let's just insert our equal to sign. Then we are going to use the auto sum function again. Then you open a new bracket like this. So what we are going to do is to select all the females from each class. So let's quickly start from KG1 like this. So you select the first female, you click on comma, select the second one, comma, then we go to basic 1 like this, select the female, comma, then we move to basic 2, then we select the female there, comma, then we move to basic 3, select the female, comma, then we move to basic 4. So we move to basic 4 like this, then we select the female there, comma, you move to basic 5, you select it as well, then we move to basic 6, you select the female, comma, basic 7, you select the female, then comma, then we move to basic 8, you select the female like this, comma, then we move to basic 9, which is going to be the last one, then we select the female like this, then comma. So what we need to do is to close this bracket. So let's just press shift on the keyboard to close the bracket, then we hit enter. So this one too, we should be able to have 2 as the total number of females that we have in the school. The reason is that when we go back to this side here, when we check KG2, we have 2 females here, we have 2 females here and 2 males here, so the total here is 4. But when we check the other classes, we have 0, 0, 0 everywhere. So it means the total number of male details that we have in the system is 2 here. Then the total number of female details that we have in the system is 2 as well. So now we want to get the grand total here. We want to get the grand total of the number of students that we have in the school year. So what we are going to do is that we only need to use another formula again. We are going to use another formula again to get the grand total here. So what you need to do is to insert your equal to sign like this. Immediately you insert your equal to sign, then we are moving to this one. So select this all male, then you insert your plus sign like this, then you come to this one, we select this one too, so you hit enter, then you get the grand total. Alright, so basically that is how you insert the various formulas that can help us to do the auto counting in our system without any stress and without any problem. The reason why you can see 4 here is that we inserted 2 male details here in KG2, then we also inserted another 2 female details here in KG2, so the total here is 4. That is why the 4 is appearing at the last end here. So now let's just try another class too, and let's see how the system will respond to that. So let's come to this side like this, then we enter another detail. So let's do that one for basic 9. So basic 9 like this. So the gender should be male. Then let's go to basic 8. So basic 8 like this, so the gender should be female. Let's see how the system will respond to this. So you hit enter, then we go to the bottom there. Let's see how the system is going to respond to this particular thing for us. So let's just check. So basic 9, where can we locate basic 9? Basic 9. Okay, so we have basic 8 here. So we have 1 female detail in our system, so the total here is showing as what? 1. Now when we come to basic 9 here, we entered 1 male detail into the system. So under the male here, you can see 1 here, then the total here is what? 1. So the total number of male details that we have in the system now is what? 3. Then when we come to the female section, the total number of female details that we have in the system now is also 3. So the grand total here is supposed to be 6. So the 6 is appearing there without any challenge. It's just like some magic. Okay, so basically we are done inserting our formulas onto this student data entry sheet. So Don't forget to save your work. Let's just press Ctrl S on the keyboard to save our work like this. So we are done saving our work. Now let's go back to basic 5 to do some necessary corrections there. So let's just double tap on this one to change it to basic 5 like that. So you hit enter, then you press Ctrl S on the keyboard to save your work just like that. Now let's go back to this side here. Let's scroll and see if we can get that same mistake here, then we correct it as we move on to the next thing. So okay, this one is here without any challenge. So I don't know the reason why that one was having that challenge. Okay, so let's just scroll and get back to the student detail sheet here. So let's just try to clear everything from that sheet. Let's just clear everything from that sheet, then we move to another thing. Okay, so because we don't want this video to be long, we would like to end this one here and continue in lesson 32. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like and comment on this video as we wait for lesson 32. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.